How to adjust video quality setting on Facebook app. Everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So open your Facebook application. You can either use your Facebook application or Facebook Lite as well. The process is still the same. Then tap on the menu bar on your top right corner. Scroll down and tap on settings. Then on this preference section, tap on media. Then on this video quality section, select optimized. If you have selected the lowest quality video, simply deselect it and tap on optimize section. The next is tap in photo quality section, tap on high, and your video quality on Facebook will be increased and as per your choice. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.